This is the weekly weather briefing from Wednesday, April 3rd through Wednesday, April 10th from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Seattle, Washington. Don't use this briefing after 4 a.m. PDT, April 4th. This is the overview. The weather pattern over western Washington will become more active over the next several days. This will start with the first cold front that is expected to arrive on Thursday. Potentially, several more weather systems will arrive during the next week. The strongest should be late Friday. This will make the most active part of the next 7 days the Thursday through Sunday period. The incoming weather systems will be about normal strength for early April. The weather will be wetter and breezy at times. Cooler air will arrive behind the late Friday weather system, which will lower snow levels over the Cascades down to near pass levels over the weekend. The main impacts will be periods of rain on Thursday through Saturday morning. Showers will follow over the weekend. There will not be any significant impact from the rain over the lowlands, where normal amounts are expected. The mountains will receive heavier accumulations. In particular, the southeast part of the Olympics could receive 4 to 6 inches of rain over the 48-hour period ending 5 a.m. Saturday morning. This could be enough to cause minor flooding on the Skokomish River in Mason County. Flooding is not expected on any other western Washington river. Winds will become breezy or windy at times, mainly Thursday night through Friday night. The coast and north interior from Whidbey Island northward will likely experience southerly winds 15 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts to 40 miles per hour possible. The rest of the interior lowlands, including the greater Puget Sound region, the southwest interior, and the Strait of Juan de Fuca, will have breezy winds 15 to 25 miles per hour at times. These winds could impact outdoor activities at times, depending on the activity. Temperature ranges will be close to normal for early April, with low temperatures in the lower to mid 40s and high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Cool air aloft will move over the area behind the late Friday front, which will lower Cascade snow levels to near pass levels this weekend. This would be down to 3,500 to 4,000 feet on Saturday and down to around 3,000 feet on Sunday. The lower snow levels may cause minor problems for travelers crossing over the Cascade. So, how will each day play out? The first weak front will arrive on Thursday. This will be a weak system with only a little rain expected. The surface low and the upper level trough associated with the Thursday front will then move northeast across Vancouver Island Thursday night through Friday morning. This will bring a little more rain to the area, but the main impact will be the first dose of breezy to windy south to southeast winds. The second strongest cold front will approach the area Friday, with the first effects starting Friday afternoon, then continuing Friday night. This front will bring a little heavier rain to the lowlands, but the greatest accumulations will be over the mountains, especially the southeast Olympics. Again, the 48-hour total from both weather systems may leave 4 to 6 inches of rain over the southeast Olympics, perhaps enough for minor flooding on the Skokomish River. Another dose of breezy to windy southerly winds will accompany this cold front. The winds will shift to southwest behind the front. Frontal passage will be around midnight for the coast and a few hours later for the interior. On Saturday, the weather will calm down a little. Winds will decrease and the rain will change to showers. This is when a weaker upper-level trough crosses the area. Cooler air aloft will accompany the trough, which will lower snow levels over the mountains to near pass levels this weekend. The active weather pattern will continue Saturday night through Wednesday, but at this point, the weather systems seem much weaker. Confidence in this period, though, is low due to conflicts between the two main computer models that cover this period. Overall, both have the same general idea, an active weather pattern with weaker systems. However, differences in the details lower our confidence in how the weather will actually unfold after Saturday. In summary, we will return to a more active weather pattern starting on Thursday and continuing through next Wednesday, April 10th. The weather systems will be about normal strength for early April. Overall, the weather will be wetter and a little breezy at times. Here are some additional resources you can peruse for additional information. In particular, check our website. That would be weather.gov/Seattle.